things. Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to answer the question, what time is it in Irish? So for the purpose of this bite-sized video, I'm going to presume that you know first of all the cardinal numbers in Irish and how to count ordinary things in Irish. So we've published a blog on this topic previously and a couple of videos. So if you'd like to take a look at those, you'll find links in the description below. Okay, so how do you ask this question, what time is it in Irish? One way is cén tailme. Cén tailme. Cén tailme. If we want to answer this question and the time happens to be exactly on the hour, we will use the following structure. Tá sé, it is. We will insert the relevant cardinal number and then on the end, a chlog, o'clock. So for instance, if it were 1 o'clock, we would say tá sé a haon a chlog. Tá sé a haon a chlog. If it were 5 o'clock, tá sé a cúig a chlog. Tá sé a cúig a chlog. And if we're 12, tá sé a dóigh a chlog. Tá sé a dóigh a chlog. So that's if the time is exactly on the hour. If it isn't, then like in English, we won't use a chlog at the end of the statement. So for instance, if somebody asked you the time in English and it were 7:15, you would simply say it's 7:15 rather than it's 7:15 o'clock, if you see what I mean. So in Irish, the convention is the same. So talking about times before the hour, here for before or to, we use the word chun. Chun. So if we wanted to say it's 1:45, a quarter here is ceathrú. And we will use the structure tá sé ceathrú chun a haon. It's 1:45. If it were 4:45, tá sé ceathrú chun a cúig. It's 11:45, tá sé ceathrú chun a dóigh. Tá sé ceathrú chun a dóigh. Okay, so what about if it's after the hour? So for past or after, we'll use tréis. 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 This is pronounced very similarly in Munster and Ulster, whereas in Connacht it's pronounced héis. So we'll go back to our quarter again. We'll want to say it's 1:15. Tá sé ceathrú tréis a haon. Tá sé ceathrú tréis a haon. If you want to say it's 1/2 the hour, well, half hour is lahúr. Lahúr. So if we want to say it's 5:30, tá sé lahúr tréis a cúig. Tá sé lahúr tréis a cúig. Tá sé lahúr tréis a cúig. If you want to specify a particular amount of minutes before or after the hour, a lot of the time you don't need to use the word minute, but sometimes you do. So let's say you want to say it's 2 minutes past 2. Well, past is tréis. We'll say tá sé há nóiméad tréis a dó. Tá sé há nóiméad tréis a dó. So here I'm using the word nóiméad for minute. This is Munster pronunciation. Elsewhere you would have nóiméad. If we want to say it's 4 minutes past 5, tá sé ceithre nóiméad tréis a cúig, or tá sé ceithre nóiméad tréis cúig. And if you don't want to include the word minute, you could simply say, for instance, it's 10:10, tá sé 10 tréis a 10. Or it is 20 to 5, tá sé 5 chun a cúig. Tá sé fiche chun a cúig. Okay, just a bite-sized run through. I hope that helps. I'll finish today with a little seanachal or proverb related to the theme of time. And this one goes, is ma an lia an town. Is ma an lia an town. Time is a good healer. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.